sounds kind of natural, but actually every different sound is, after years you start to realise that it's all based on psychological human mind control. Every sound that they put around a human being. But while you're in the dark, they keep it very subtle and to where you hardly notice that you're being surrounded by this android army force of civilian beings or human beings that are really working against you at a sight and sound level, realistically. So it's an artificial reality you now live in, because these forces, these programs, these ones are using technology and psychological sight and sound control to influence your state of well-being. I think something like that. I have to turn the sound up louder on TV to override the noise, but then that becomes like a competition with them, unfortunately. So you can't win. The dogs find all this sound mentally disturbing next door. They're outside in amongst it. The real dogs, maybe, or is that just me being psychologically controlled too? Don't know. Well, I do, but it disorientates your mind. I can say it, but I'm not really concentrating. I'm not living in my own moment. I'm living in their moment. I'm connected to their technological mind, or their reality, because I'm focused on that sound, see? But it is a grid. It is actually at a real powers that be level, much more a human earth control than what we probably realise. Because it doesn't just happen to me. It just feels like that. The dog bark because it's disturbing him like it disturbs me, I guess. Of course. How they survive, I don't know. And I'm not sure why I'm still here. Only just. I'm not here at all, really. Anyway. Oh, I can't do anymore. Running out of space.